How long does a GoPro Hero battery last? How long a GoPro battery will last depends on a number of factors. How long does a GoPro battery last? From 1.5 to 2 hours with the following settings: continual video shooting in 1080p at 60 fps, the most popular video setting. How long does GoPro battery last? Time-lapse. Time-lapse under 24 hours with a GoPro Hero 4. If your time-lapse shoot spans more than a couple of hours by less than 24 hours or so, there are a few different options. Not all of these will run a full 24 hours, and some can run longer depending on the choice of settings you use. GoPro battery backpack. How long does 5% battery last? iPhone 5s battery life detailed. Apple has announced the battery life for the iPhone 5s. The 5S will get 10 hours of 3G talk time, 4G browsing, Wi-Fi browsing, and video playback, with 8 hours of 3G browsing. The phone will also get 40 hours of music playback, and have a standby time of 250 hours. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification for more of these videos.